Okay, so I've been forced to do my jump again after already
Don't say you've been forced.
Get on with it!
If we kill you now,
attempting the Matt Thomas jump.